Hello folks, this is Jack Quinn again, and this is part 2 of a session on perspective, allowing you to use perspective to create better design paintings. And this is the actual finished painting from our earlier session where I did the two-dimensional drawing. Kind of difficult with this phone to capture the full breadth of the painting, but there it is. You can see that it's pretty much as it was in the drawing, and I'll lift this up and remove it, put that over here, and you see I have it on a black foam board, and that will expose the drawing. And once again, we started with this original sketch. I then went from that sketch to create a aerial view of the buildings as I envisioned them. That's these white sheets of paper here. And then from that plan view, I created the two-dimensional drawing, which is what you're looking at here. From there, I then, on the back side of this, have charcoal. I transferred that onto the wood panel. So we went from this sketch, here's a photograph of the sketch. I then used that, here's work in progress, on where I had transferred the drawing to the wood panel and started my painting process. And then I wasn't quite sure where I wanted to go. So I did a what if in Photoshop. I took this picture of the work in progress, put it into Photoshop, saw what it might look like with a field in the front with a blue sky, and then I also wanted to test it out to see what it might look like as a snow scene, and I opted to go with the snow scene. So I may take a variation as I look at this. This was pretty dramatic too, but you can see you can do a couple of what ifs. So, and then finally the finished product. So that's it. That was the process from beginning to end. Again, taking the plan view, which could be from scratch, or in my case I had a sketch to begin with, and going down to a two-dimensional, two-perspective drawing, and painting from there. I thought it would do well just to show the full painting. So there it is, contained within the frame of the camera.